How to build a sales funnel with System.io for free. Best marketing platform beginners tutorial. Hi there, you guys. In this video, I will be talking about sales funnels and how you can create them with System.io. So this is totally for beginners. If you don't have any idea about sales funnels, and if you don't have any idea about this app, make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss anything out. So, yep. Basically, what is a sales funnel, by the way? A sales funnel is an essential part of running an online business. To talk about this a lot more simpler, it's basically the function that turns visitors into customers. Now, think about it like a literal funnel. And inside that funnel, it represents all the potential customers that visit your site and how many actually make a purchase. And the further those people get into the funnel, the more committed they are to purchasing. And that's what a sales funnel is all about. And it could be for both online or physical businesses. And System.io right here does a very good job creating funnels and integrating different parts of that funnels out. So now I'd like to talk about the 4 stages of sales funnel. So we have here the wider part of the funnel, awareness. It goes narrower as it goes down to interest, decision, and action. Right. The awareness is the very beginning of your sales funnel or your campaign. So people should discover your business here on this stage. And this part should entice them, should create like a content that will entice them to make a purchase here or there and then. And either way, this is when your business gets exposure. So no matter what type of exposure you want to do, or no matter how you want to do it, it will surely do the job. Next is the interest. This stage, prospects are aiming to find something. Now, that could be a product, a solution to a problem, or research. This is when they really look at your content. The decision part, this one is where leads come back to your site after doing their research. Now, you are one of their main options and they're considering your offers. This is basically already like a success, but not exactly just yet. There needs to be an action completed. The stage then the lead becomes a customer and you get conversions, right? That's what we want to happen. Now, to create a successful sales funnel, you should have the following concepts ready or found in your funnel. Firstly, we have the awareness. It should be present. You should have done this stage. And after that stage, you should drive interest. And next, you should get your customers to a point where they actually already decide to buy it. And next is the action. You should make them do something about their decision. So, it's not just like an end goal for them to just decide without actually purchasing the product. Now that we know how to make like a successful sales funnel, what a sales funnel is, let's talk about how to create a successful sales funnel. This will just be fast anyway. So, yep. First is get their attention. Oh, yeah, sorry. Know your audience. Make sure that you do this. Next is you get your audience's attention. Next is then you create landing pages. And then you push on with email marketing. And then next is optimize your sales funnel. Now, how can you optimize? It's by conversion rates. Now, how people go from leads to customers. Questions that needs to be answered here are, do they sign up to your email list via a link, or do they make a purchase offer? After you provide an offer. Or you can also do A or B or split testing. This show 2 versions of the same web page to different sets of visitors at the same time, and then see which one gets more conversions. So you're basically playing with options now. And you can also study each stage of the sales funnel. So you basically answer the question, does your content on social media attract customers? Do you have recurring customers? So you should answer all of those questions. Now, let's talk about System.io, if it's really the right sales funnel software for you. Yeah, the easiest way to create a sales funnel is by using a software. One of them is like System.io. So typically you would need a software for email marketing and one to create a landing page and one to monitor your sales. And System.io got everything that you need. So to start creating your sales funnel, click on funnels. And let's wait for it to load up. Oops, we've got nothing here. And then if you want to create a funnel from scratch, hit on create. And it immediately asks you what you want to do. Now, for example, let's name our funnel first. We're going to name it books, because maybe I'm selling books. Build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. Now, I'd like to build an audience first before I do anything. Maybe I'm going to talk about my book, why is it interesting? Why are my past works interesting, which leads you to purchasing my current work now? Maybe show work history on this part, right? Or if not, sales history before you even started email marketing. And yep, now the funnel has been created as easy as that. The next step is configuration. Now this is where you start to choose how would you like to start building your funnel. Now I'm going to select the first option here. And now that we've chosen an option, it's part of the configuration. So I'm going to go and name it. And I think this one will pretty much do the job. So I'm going to view the funnel right here, which is called Squiz Page. All right, it's taking a while to load up. Yep. Okay, so the URL path. Now what this does is it consists of two parts, which are the URL base and the URL path. The base being your website address and the path being the name of your specific page. So you should go ahead and enter them right over here. So yep, basically it's already right here. So you can see that the path is right here. And this is the site. This is the landing page, I think, that we have just created. All right, so anyway, this is the squeeze page or the landing page that they're going to see. And what you can set up here are the automation rules. You can add a rule by clicking this button. And rule or trigger basically is like a happening, or what do I call it? On work management systems or softwares, it's like a trigger, yeah. So it can either be, page visited. So this event, this trigger occurs when a person visits a selected page. Now, when this happens, something happens. So let's choose this, page visited, and add action. Now that we have chosen the trigger, which is when a person visits a selected page, now what happens then? They subscribe to the campaign, or they unsubscribe from the campaign. They either add tag to the contact, remove contact, send email, right? I can just choose to send email. Now the email, choose email. We're going to choose, Anyway, to add the email that's going to be sent, hit on add button right here. And then you can now write the email right here. There's also an email builder, which can pretty much do decent work, just like inserting photos, changing font sizes, and changing the formats. Basically, really basic. Everything that you need to do tools to do to make a basic email is already right here. So those are just some of the features that you can use here on System.io, creating a sales funnel starting from sending an email. That's where your funnel starts. Well, given the fact that you already have, at what stage is that? Yep, that maybe is like already the, what do you call that? What part of the sales funnel is that? Awareness part or interest part maybe? But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. But if you haven't, make sure you do. And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot, big time. But that's it for this video. I'll see you again on the next one. Peace out.